On this video, I'm going to show you what lanes to use on big roundabouts. So if you're going left, you want to keep in the left lane and then check your mirrors and signal left as you approach the roundabout. Checking the right from early. Make sure you stick to the left as you go through. Keep checking that it's clear. Checking forward as well to make sure that these guys keep moving. And then you exit the roundabout with your signal still on. So when you've got big roundabouts, and the first thing you want to do is look at the sign to see where your exit is. So this one we're going to go straight second exit. So to do that, if you're going straight, you want to be in the left lane. So right now there's no road markings, no arrows, so I'll use the left lane to go straight. I'm just going to position myself just here, taking care to make sure I don't go over the giveaway line. Then I'll just wait here for the traffic to be clear on the right there. Once I can see that it's clear, I'm going to go and I'm going to keep left as I go forward, keeping to the left side. Now once I go past the first exit, I'll check my mirrors and I'll signal left, because I'm stopping now because this light is red. So this bit is controlled by lights, so I have to stop. Keeping left the whole time, just checking the mirror on this car as well, because those cars, they will sometimes come off with us. So you want to make sure that you're not coming off exactly at the same time as them. So there are roundabouts where you can go straight using the left lane and the middle lane, like this one here for instance, but I would always choose the left lane. If I'm going straight and I know I can use both lanes to go straight, I'll just use the left one. So it's going to be much easier for you to do that. So I'll just stick to the left, and then when you go through, just stick to the left the whole time and come out, because you can use that lane as well to go straight on, but to make it simple for yourself, just keep to the left, because when you come off, you're going to end up in the lane that you need to be in anyway. I'll show you what I mean. So now that I can go, I'm just going to quickly check there and make sure no one's coming through. And I'm keeping left the whole time. See the arrows telling us we can use this lane to go straight and left. And from here, I can signal left now to come off. Checking my mirrors on both sides. And it's looking good. And now I'm already in the lane that I need to be in. And so I don't need to worry about going there and then coming to change lanes, because I'm already in the lane that I need to be in. So most roundabouts, you're going to be in the left lane to go straight. But there will be some that you need to use the right lane. So this one, for instance, because the left lane is only for turning left. And you can see that sometimes with the floor marking. So if I show you just there, you can see that, but that says left only. So in this situation, you want to use this lane to go straight. Make sure it's safe over there, but you still want to check this side as well, because sometimes cars will still use that lane to go straight. So just be wary of that, and then keep. So if you're going to the right, you want to be in the right lane. So on this roundabout, you can use the middle lane or the right lane to go to the right. But if you're not sure, it's going to be probably simpler if we just stick to the right. And we're going to check mirrors, signal right. So if you're unsure how to do it, it's probably best just to use the right lane to go to the right, because there are some roundabouts where the middle lane is only for going straight. So be careful in that situation. Look out for the floor markings as well. So if you can't see the floor markings, it's probably best just to use the right lane to go right. And sometimes you will see the floor markings on the floor saying to you that you can use the middle lane to go right as well. This one can be a bit confusing. See, it's just got an arrow just saying forward, but you can actually turn right from here as well. So I'm just checking the sides, and then I'm gonna go straight to the right as I go through. My signal's still on to the right, and I'm gonna check for the lights, make sure that they go green, which they do now, so I can carry on. But I'm just keeping an eye on those guys as well, because there was a bit of traffic holding them up, so I'm just gonna go through cautiously. And then now the lane that we were in before has turned into the middle lane now, because it's taking us to where we need to get to. I check my mirrors, signal left. I'm still keeping a bit to the middle, and then I'm coming off, checking my left mirror up, because the lanes are merging together now. And I'm checking both sides, make sure there's no one next to me. So we've come off on the right now, so I want to be going to the left lane when it's safe. So I'm going to check my mirror, signal left, and then check it again. It's looking good. And then now I'm in the left lane for normal driving. So there will be situations where the lane that you might want to use is blocked. So this one's got a big puddle in there. I don't know how deep that is, so I'm going to keep out of that lane, but keep my signal on still to the left. I'm a bit in the right lane, but I don't want to go into that puddle too deeply. So I'm just letting people know I'm going to the left, even though I'm going position to the right a bit. And then that way I can go with, and everyone knows why I'm positioned like that. Okay, so that's the end of that video. Hopefully you found it useful. So remember, the key things are, when you're approaching a roundabout, look for the signs, look for the floor markings so you can show you what lanes to use. If you're going to go left, you're going to be in the left lane. If you're going to go straight, you're going to be in the left lane, unless the left lane is only for turning left. And if you're going to go right, just use the right lane, and make sure you plan your exit and all that, and then it should be all good. So if you did like that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got more coming up. So until next time, take care.